Okay, in this clip we're going to talk about cleaning fish and cleaning seafood and preparing seafood to eat. What you need to clean fish is you need a very sharp knife. I've got in my hand here a tool that we use a lot. It's about an 8-inch boning knife, and this is what we fillet the fish with. This is what we take the meat off the bone. You want to get a good sharp knife, a sharp edge on your blade. Now this is a sharpening steel. You can pick these up in a lot of places. And chefs use these all the time, and we just get a little edge on it. It's already been sharpened for me, so basically you cross the blade on the steel in the same direction. You don't want to go different directions, like you see people getting sloppy, because it's just going to give you a bad edge. Same direction, either down or up, okay? If you're going to clean a fish with scales on it, you want to leave the skin on it, you're going to need a scaler, okay? This is a tool that it's got little teeth on it. It's not real sharp. It's very coarse. You want to keep your hands out of the way, and you're just going to go to town on this fish and knock all the scales off of it the best you can. Once we get the fish off the bone, we're going to have a fillet. It's going to be lying there, usually with the skin on it. Okay. For instance, this grouper, you want a nice long skinning knife. Okay, it's something it's got to be longer usually than a fillet knife or a boning knife, because it's got to be wider than the fillet that you're going to skin. A nice sharp edge on this as well. A little flex in the blade is good. And this is what you're going to take the skin off the fish with. Okay? So let's get started.